Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, so look where it says we're gonna do our color pencil. Okay, I'm gonna take my mask off real quick because I gotta be clear. Sorry, just don't breathe over here. Okay, so we're gonna do the color pencil technique, and we're gonna start with the color spectrum. All right, so as you can see, you see RV. What does RV stand for? What do you think? Red, violet. And then the next color would be red, red, orange, 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 yellow, 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 green, green, blue, 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 violet, violet, and red, violet. Violet is purple. Okay, let's start with the red. Okay, so we're going to put a light. Oh, snaps, I can't see it up there. So the first thing you want to do, where it says red violet to red orange, you want to put a light layer of red. Make sure I got red. Make sure you got red. This is mahogany. So you want to put a light layer of red from red violet all the way to red orange like this. And you can do any type of, very good. Okay. So you can do it. What I don't want y'all to do, because we're just not there, don't do this. So let's just put one layer, right? And then let's pick up our purple, our violet, and where it says red violet, let's just put a layer of violet on top of that. Okay, don't press down hard. What are we doing? We just putting down a layer. Don't press down hard. Please don't, because we're gonna burnish it. Next, you're gonna pick up your orange. So everybody pick up your orange. And where it says red orange to yellow orange, you're gonna color orange. So you're gonna go in there and blend in with the red lightly. Just add some layers. Okay. So let's stop. Once we get that layer on there, now let's burnish. Hold on, let me put a little bit more purple. Okay, pick up your red. And we're gonna burnish. So we're gonna go back over our red violet all the way over to our red orange with our red. And we should have right here where the R is, the red, that should be our only true red. So it should blend all together. That should be our only true red. Let's go ahead and burnish. Are we pressing down hard? Okay, so we're learning how to control our pressure. Okay, I just want to go over a little bit more with this purple. We're making a color spectrum. I'm gonna burnish some more. Okay. Please don't press down hard because we're gonna have to go over that orange red with some orange. Okay, so before we pick up our orange again, let's pick up our yellow color pencil. We're going to color from yellow orange to yellow green. So let's go. So make sure you add that orange, that yellow inside that orange. Am I going too fast? Okay. So what do you think we're gonna do next? What do we do next? What should we do next? Yes, we're gonna pick up our orange and go over that orange. Where we starting at? Yellow orange. No. What'd you say? red orange. So we're gonna start at the red orange and work our way over to yellow orange. And make sure we got the true hue of orange in there. And then that orange is blending in with that red nicely. Just be careful with the yellow. It's kind of, I don't know, yellow is difficult for me. All right. What's next? What should we do next? We should pick up our green. We're gonna pick up our green. We're gonna color from yellow green to blue green. Lego. Okay. But before we move on, what do we have to do? Go over the yellow green and the yellow orange. And what is that called? Burnishing. Let's do that. We're gonna do what we can. I'm gonna pick my orange back up. Make sure it's, yeah. I'm gonna pick up some of this. My green. Burnish this out a little bit more. Good. All right. It's like we're working backwards, right? All right. Next, who has an idea of what we can do? What are we supposed to do? Huh? Blue. Yeah. So let's pick up the blue. Make sure you read the Crayola, the color, because sometimes I get blue and purple mixed up. So make sure you read it. So we're gonna go to blue green to blue violet. Let's put a layer down, just a layer. Try to color it nice. I don't want no scribbles. Y'all hear me? Stay in the line. No scribbling. Take your time. Okay. Now that we got that layer of blue, what do? Go back over it with the green. So we're burnishing. So let's add some layer. You can add a bit more pressure. Learn how to control your pressure. Okay. Y'all see how it's just flowing into each other? All right. So we got that green in there. We burnished it up. Kind of, sort of, not too hard. Well, not too hard with the blue green because we still got to go back in there with that. But as far as with the yellow green, you can add pressure there. Okay. What's next? What are we picking up? The violet. Good job, guys. So we're going from the blue violet to the red violet. Ooh, I can't see. I'm so left hand, y'all. So let me turn my paper. It's hard. It's hard when you left hand. I can't even color it. See, okay, look at this. I need to sharpen this. Hopefully the pencil sharpener don't break. Ooh. All right. So if you find yourself having a hard time coloring in corners, that means you need to sharpen your pencil. All right. So now that we got that layer of blue down, I mean, what we doing? Violet, my bad. Now we got that layer. I'm like, that is not blue. Now we have that layer of violet down. What color we picking back up to burnish? The blue. Very good. Okay. And then that last color is a red, right? So we need to pick up that red, color that red up in there. And then burnish it with the what? With the violet. Very good. And so I'll just go over. I can add a bit more pressure because like with the red violet, because that's like the last color. Let me fix this blue. I don't like how my blue looking. I want to add another layer of blue because I don't like how it's looking. All right. Red. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let me come around and look and see what we got. So now we're going to blend or mix complementary colors. So we have red and green. We have red and green. So you want to pick up your red and your greens. You want to meet here in the center. So we want to color our red all the way. Let's just end it here. Let's put a layer of red there. Stop. And then put a layer of green on this side and pull it all the way over to the end of this arrow. And stop. Oops, excuse me. And then blend it together. Blend the red and the green together. So you want to just pick out the colors. Keep changing them out until they blend nice. Do not divide them with lines. Please don't do that. You want them to blend in together. And now, and you know what's good that you're seeing this? Because when you mix two complementary colors together, you get like this dark grayish tone. And you can use, instead of using black, you can just use complementary colors to create shadows. Okay, so go ahead and let's see. Let me do this one more time so make sure it's blending up nice. Okay, so you should have that dark kind of grayish tone. All right, let's do the next one, yellow and violet. Again, you want to color. I'm starting with yellow. You want to color it all the way to the end of the arrow pointing towards violet. Be careful. Yellow is a weird color. And I need to, I was reading a book about it yesterday. Well, I was reading a book and it was talking about yellow, and I'm just like, yellow is just a weird color. I don't know how to describe like what's wrong with yellow. Like yellow paints, they're so transparent and some of them just can't get it right. And so I was trying to learn like what's the right yellow to use in my like paint palette, you know, because yellow's weird. All right, so we're mixing those two complementary colors. All right. Okay, let's do blue and orange together. Y'all, am I going too fast? Let me know to slow down. All right, let's do blue and orange because blue and orange are what type of colors? Complementary colors. Very good. Very good. What are they again? Thank you. Why y'all so quiet? All right, so from blue to the end of the arrow pointing towards the orange. Go. Yes. I'm gonna pick up this orange. Look at that shadow. He's gonna make some nice shadows. Let's blend them together. And oops, go back to my blue. Right, and scene. It is 11:36, so it is time for us to start cleaning up.